Hi, I'd like to show you some additional features of SiPsHitch. So bear with me while we work through some setup changes. We'll activate the system as we normally do by starting the tractor, or turning the ignition on the tractor I should say, because the tractor will not start until you've logged into the system. We'll allow the system to load up. The system will be active when the start tow and the no tow signs are displayed as such. So to change our system and show you some of the features, we'll go to start tow, and we're operating in full protection mode at this point in time. We'll need a supervisor's code to be able to make any changes. So if you don't have a supervisor code, unfortunately you can only make very minimal changes. So our default supervisor code being 1111. We'll go into setup, bypass setup, and we're going to activate two additional features. One of them being a walk around check, which is going to be required, and we will also require wing walker initials. We'll go back home. Let's do a tow and we'll see what that looks like. Start with our aircraft. We'll put in our tail number, fictitious tail number. Press the green check. It's asking us for our wing walker initials. So we have myself, and it's going to ask us for wing walker 2 initials. We'll put in an additional person for that. Green check. We'll now choose our aircraft. This time we'll choose a Beechcraft Premier Jet. Disconnect nose gear scissor, confirm that we have that. And it's asking us, has a full walk around inspection of the aircraft be completed? We can't continue past this screen until we confirm yes it has, and a yes tick will be printed on the log sheet for this tractor. So not only will you have the date, the name of the operator, the wing walker initials, the aircraft tail number, the time of the tow, the forces that were exhibited on the aircraft during the tow, but you'll also have confirmation that a walk around inspection has been completed. So we'll press yes. And now we're at the normal tow screen. The reason that there is another button there saying new wing walker is that if you started off with one of the wing walkers and you end up at your destination hangar and one of the wing walkers had to leave and you've been replaced by somebody else at this point in time, rather than going through the whole process again, you can change the initials of the wing walker directly from this screen. We will do a normal tow on the aircraft. We will then park the aircraft, release, and end the tow. This is now going to provide us with a nice little report that's going to show the stresses that were achieved on that aircraft. There was a safe tow, we had wing walkers, we had the initials, and we also have confirmation that a safe walk around check was achieved. Just one of the other nice features of SiPsHitch.